of taxation.
Yeah, now you pay as you earn, you pay VAT for everything that you buy.
Yes.
And other taxes. Now today we have CBC, where we teach our children to cook, we teach them to swim. Do we teach them about taxes in this country? Because you find the education system in our country. You do CPA, you do degree in accounting or in finance. There is no place that you'll be told the policies of taxation in Kenya are like this. You'll just be told there is VAT taxation, progressive taxation. There is no place that you'll be taught the actual thing that you need to do as a business person or a citizen of this country. So you'll find that every person that is going to open a bank account, they'll get a PIN certificate, but they don't know what this PIN certificate is for. Nobody will teach them. Nobody will tell them that you need to file nil returns at the end of the year. So they'll be there. The time they'll need service is the time they'll be told you're penalized because you did not file nil returns. So we have a big problem on tax education in our country. And you'll find KRA, they are going to tell you, we teach people. What do they teach people? They will call people, business people. They will give them a seminar of maybe 2 hours. This seminar, you're calling people, you forget that these business people, the small players that are paying this tax, cannot be able to employ an accountant. So, and their education level is maybe not the degree level that you'd want to think. Maybe they finished class 8, they got a job, they did this business. By the way, most business people in Kenya, the small business people, are not very educated people because they are there by default. They finished school, they did not get a job, they started doing something, exchanging, and that's how they make their money. But you're expecting to educate a PhD person with a class 5 or 8 person.
In the same class? In
the same class, within 2 hours. And you expect this person to be able to go and carry out what you've taught them.
There's a problem there.
Yeah, and basically they never even teach anything. Because even these officials of KRA, most of them, they don't have the business aspect. What they know is the laws governing them and covering them. So when they come to teach you, they don't know how to merge business and taxation, and that's the biggest problem we have. Look at somebody like Keroche. You will always see her on TV. Do you think that woman is foolish? Somebody that can employ the amount of people that she employs, and there's no business person that wants their business to finish. We want our business to be a going concern. But our biggest threat when we do our SWOT analysis is the taxman. Not because we refuse to pay, it's because we don't know exactly what they want us to pay. And when they come to demand from you, what they're asking from you is basically what is not payable. Because you make profit, you remove the tax, the balance is what belongs to you. But if the tax is higher than the profit you're making, how do you pay? And this is where tax evasion is coming in.
And there's no profit there. And
you have not made profit. Maybe they're taking the old tax of the profit that you're supposed to make. So for you to survive, what do? You start meandering and trying to do things so that you cannot be able to
Which
pay.
ought not to be there. Tax evasion.
Yeah, tax evasion should not be there.
Should not be there.
So people should understand, and the taxman also should merge with the business people, especially in the fuel tax